My name is Vadini. I'm from RPIIT College Karnal. Today we are continuing with our previous video, which the topic is programming paradigms. Now we will discuss about different paradigms. First one is imperative and the second one is declarative. Just we'll do the revision little. Imperative paradigm focuses on explicitly state the steps the program must take to reach to the desired outcome. Whereas in the declarative programming, it focuses on describes what result is desired without specific the exact steps. Here is the control flow also explicitly defined by the programmer. Here implicitly managed by the language or the framework in the declarative paradigm. Example of the imperative paradigm is step-by-step instructions or for a calculation. Then this is declarative is high-level description of a desired outcome. Now let's see the procedural, that the first paradigm of the imperative paradigm is procedural programming, a subset or the imperative programming where the code is being organized by the into the procedures, or we can say the functions, that are procedural programming. Then object oriented programming is, while OOPS language like Java, C++ can support imperative programming, they also introduce concepts like objects, classes, and inheritance polymorphism, which are not strictly a part of imperative program. Let's see the structured programming. Structured programming is, it's based on the structure only. Let's continue with the functional programming. Functional programming treats the computation as the, it emphasis on the evaluation of the mathematical functions and avoids changing state and mutable data. It emphasizes immutability and pure functions and higher order functions. So these are some examples: Haskell, Lisp, Erlang. So these are some examples of the languages which follow this functional programming paradigm. Then the declarative programming. This declarative programming focuses on describing the desired result rather than the specifying the steps achieved. Let's see the diagram again. So these are two declarative paradigm, that is functional and logical. Then there is logic programming, which implements that logical representation and logical a style of computer programming based on a formal logic. Instead of directly specifying how to compute a result, it focuses on describing the problem using the logical facts and rules and logical inference to find the logical solution, to find the solutions, which is effectively treating the computation as automated reasoning. So this is like completion of imperative paradigm and declarative paradigms. What is programming paradigm? Just see the conclusion over here, that it is relatively high level way to conceptualize and structure the implementation of a computer program. It is a, we can also say programming paradigm is a functional style of a computer programming. If you like our channel, do like and subscribe. Thank you for your time.